Picture this. It's nighttime, you're at your bed, temperature's perfect, body position's perfect, pillow on head angle's perfect. You just kind of forgot to do one thing, and that's to turn off the lights. Hola chicos, it's Carl, and today I'm back with another mini practice project with an Arduino Portenta. And so what this does, it's an LED control hub. So in other words, you just remote control RGB lights with a mobile app via an Arduino Portenta. Like this, I really like this iridescent color. But it seems like a very simple project, but this is actually powered by, again, the Arduino Portenta, one of the more recent Arduino boards. And this is kind of special because this board has the ability to make its own network access point. In other words, it emits its own Wi-Fi. And not only that, multiple color variants are showing up here because it actually has dual processing capabilities. But anyway, let me walk you through the code that helped me make it happen. So, just like every other code base, it's messy and it needs refactoring. But to walk you through real quickly for the line by line, here we just have imported Arduino secrets. It's like a .env file for my web dev friends out there, and we're including the Wi-Fi module. And so this section of the code actually helps you initiate the board's capability to create a Wi-Fi point. Because as you can see on my phone, I'm actually using the Portenta access point. But what's important is this section. So we can see that if a device is connected to the access point, i.e. a phone, it can detect that. And then it's a very funny way because we're not necessarily using functions here to, like, on button press to activate the light channels on its own, but we're using a very, very long list of nested if statements. Yep, I'm training to become an Undertale. I'm gonna make the next Undertale game. But point is, we have the messy CSS, all that to make this look good. And over here is where the magic actually happens. Because if we look at the code, we can see that these are sort of acting as endpoints. Because the idea here is that when you click a button, it changes into HR, LR, and what that just means is high, voltage is high, so light is on. And then R represents the color it's supposed to turn on. And so, as you can see, this is not the best. It's actually funny, but this is me learning, so whatever works, works. So to be clearer, this is what is expected. And if you're interested, I can also talk about my earlier practice projects, which involved the basic Blink setup, classic Arduino, and accessing its M7 and M4 cores, but if I remember correctly, it's just a few megabytes worth of RAM, but still, being able to dual process is a big thing. So that's that. This is actually this effort is part of a larger goal to activate this vision shield. It's basically a camera, so we can use OpenCV and hopefully use this for next year's robot soccer in Universidad Abierta Interamericana. Thanks for watching.